In this video, I'm going to show you how to embed a Google document into a Canvas page. In this case, this is the document I would like to embed. It's what I consider to be my Canvas homepage. It's the landing page, and it is a guide to what's happening in class every day. There's a few steps involved here, both in the Google Doc and then in Canvas, and I'll walk you through all of that. So once my page is ready, or my document is ready to go, I'm going to go up to the File menu, and I'm going to go to the Share option. This used to be, this Publish to the Web used to be somewhere else, but now it's under the File menu and then Share. So go to File menu, Share, and click Publish to the Web. This is what we want to do. Okay. Go ahead and click the Publish button. It asks you if you want to publish this. Click OK. And then it's going to give you a link. I want you to go over to the Embed option. So click Embed, and this will give you some code here. You are going to highlight all this and then copy it. So I hit Command-C on my Mac to copy this, and then you can close this. And now I'm going to go over to my Canvas course. So this is where I want to embed this document. So this is my home page. In a separate video, I have showed you how to set your own custom homepage in Canvas, but assuming this will allow you to, assuming you have your homepage set, or this will allow you to post your document wherever you want. I'm going to post it here. First step is to go up to the Edit button at the top right. That will take you to this Edit window. And this is the body box. So this is where you're going to be able to put all of your content. But don't paste it here yet. The first thing you need to do is at the bottom right here, there's this HTML symbol right here. Go ahead and click that, and that will take you to an HTML editing mode. I'm going to paste that text that I copied from the document here. So Command-V on my Mac. Okay, and now if you click this HTML button again, you'll see that it embedded it into the page. The problem though is that it's way too small. It's not legible, and this isn't going to work for you or your students. So you're going to have to adjust the code here just a little bit. It's pretty straightforward. Go ahead and click the HTML button again to get back into the coding section. And in this line of text, toward the end here, you should see where it says equal true and then a quote mark. Click right after the quote mark. So in between the quote mark and the caret symbol there. And you are going to type with equals, and then in quotes, 900. And what we're doing right here is telling it that we want this to be 900 pixels wide, and then space, height, equals, and then in quotes, 2,000, and then close quote. And what we're doing there is telling it we want it to be 2,000 pixels tall. It will still allow users to scroll through it, but that's going to be a good default. Once you have that in there, go ahead and click the HTML button again to switch back to the text editor. And now you can see your document should be in there full size, 900 pixels wide, 2,000 pixels tall. And just click Save. And you should be set now. Now, anytime you make an adjustment back in this Google document, within a minute or two, it should update live into Canvas.